don't know for this life. I don't hustle tire. I don't say this. I don't say that. Nothing they work for me. Eh? Oh yeah now. Let's make girls do a show. Me say I don't join the other show now. Make I even call Baba God for heaven. Okay, I need to tell her to see what they do now. Thank God I even get a number. Hello, good afternoon, sir. Baba God, good afternoon, sir. I greet you well. Papa God, as me I can't tell you my new business. So hey, because you know, say you don't tell me say you go bless me, you go bless me, you go bless me. I don't wait tire. I don't consider the blessing. I don't go say different thing hustle for my life. Nothing they work. I go see small children when they born yesterday. They go begin say, thank God for my new car, thank God for my new house. And I don't know whether that the same God we move them they serve, they thank. I've been another God though. So now me come to say today I want to do with this one say they get car, they get house. Me I they try to be good girl, you know they work for me. Let me say make me see enter street now. Baba God, how you reason now? And me I talk to your pikin, how you reason now? What's the happen? Network no dey happen. Hello, Papa God. Okay. How you reason the matter now? Because I don't wait tire. I don't say groundnut. I don't say pure water. Nothing they work for me. All those small things they get what they bought yesterday. They go they say thank God for my car, thank God for my house. Which kind of God did they thank? God be the same you. God do it for me. I don't need that shower. My shower I don't do so. I hope see the dress when I even dress say fine self. I never ever see one customer, even the shower, so whether you know one pay me, I don't know. Papa God, how you reason now? Eh? Forgive me, oh. You tell me I don't hear word, oh. You tell me I don't hear word, I beg forgive me. Before everything say, the only one person that carry me. And this person go get, whether that horse will be because it's in that house own. I never see that carry that kind of big thing before in my life. And the funny thing, come collect only 5 euro. Only 5 euro, right? They so far they put only 5 euro. Let me say the 5 euro, you don't follow the chance, man. God. You don't follow the chance, oh. I buy tickets 2 euro. I use 2 euro, pay buy water and biscuit, go. The only one that follow me call house. No. You can get it. They blow this place, they laugh. God have mercy. Have mercy. See, I shower. I don't wash my hands, come out. I don't do again. I wash my hands, come out. I don't do again. Oh. God forgive me. Oh.